Hey guys, today we're going to be doing another unboxing video in the recording studio, aka my room. We're going to be unboxing another pair of headphones and a headphone case. And I'll do a slash review on my previous Monster headphones. I got my laptop here and everything else. So we are going to be unboxing two things. The Audio-Technica ATH-M20x. Now, I've heard some good stuff about it, and let's just see what it turns out to be. And the other thing we're unboxing, not much of an unboxing, more of an unwrapping, is the Slappa full-size hard-body Pro headphone case. It wouldn't hurt to have a case with these headphones, actually. So without further ado, I got my Swiss Army knife, and I'll leave a link in the description below for both of these and for the Monster. So for the Monster headphones. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So might as well, let's do the unwrapping first. I didn't think I need my Swiss Army knife for this. Now here it's a Slappa. It's a Slappa case. Pretty loud zipper. Pretty hard, heavy duty. And here's the inside of the case with nice soft stuff right here. And yeah, I mean don't eat this. It's garbage. And looks like ultimate protection right here. And actually, I do need my Swiss Army knife to take off this tag, but I probably should keep the tag just in case these headphones don't fit, which they probably will. That's done with the unwrapping. I will be doing a full review here at the end of the video. So let's get right into the Audio-Technica ATH-M20x professional monitor headphones. Now, right immediately, we have a piece of cardboard right here. Let's take this puppy off. And all sorts of different languages, like do not throw away stuff. Whatever this is. Oh, just how to connect it. And a plastic wrap. And now here are the Audio-Technica M20 ATH-M20x. Plastic. There's a lot of plastic on this. Oh, that's neat. It even comes with a 1/4-inch adapter. That's kind of neat. I already have one, but still wouldn't hurt to have one. Now, while I'm trying to get this wrap off, the reason why I got these headphones is because I want to become a DJ, and that's the main reason. And but I mean, I don't know what else to say. Anyways, nevertheless, I got it off. And that's the reason why I got these headphones for DJ use, because I want to become a DJ or a music producer, so it wouldn't hurt to have a pair of good headphones for that. Stay. Good. Now, and that's a long ass cable. And some other stuff, and that is it for. And then let's just see how long this cord is. Before I give away the long cord, it does not say how long the cord is. Well, I'm gonna take a guesstimate when I unravel this. Yes, I say guesstimate, don't judge me. Now, holy crap. Okay, yeah, these are definitely DJ headphones or monitor headphones. And that's nice that it comes with that. And now these will definitely fit in the case here. But just to make sure, why don't we go and... Oh yeah, there we go. They fit perfectly like a glove. Alright, now to test them out. Got my laptop here. Let's wait for it to turn on. Now I'm gonna... do 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 do. There we go. Oh, shut up. Pin is incorrect. Okay, now let's take the adapter off and plug it into my computer. Now I'm going to play my favorite group. I don't know if you can see it very well, but Hollywood Undead. Oh, shit. And let's go into iTunes. Now we're going to do a quick comparison of these two. Oh, these look at... Whoa. Wow. Okay, I like the fact that it likes to slide over like that. Anywho. So, which ones are these? Are these the left ear? Yeah, it's the left ear cup. This one's the left ear cup. May need to adjust. Oh, the slide. I don't like the slide generally on headphones. But these actually look pretty sturdy. So, and with the 40mm drivers in here and stuff. Okay, let's play some metal first. Five Finger Death Punch, and we're gonna do the same song. Let's do Gone Away. Okay, I'm no expert on headphones, but these I can tell are really nice. I can tell you that already. I've only gone 7 seconds into the song, and these are nice. Wow. Yeah, these are perfect. I love the noise isolation on these. Now let's see about if I can just take it and do that, or do this. They are comfortable. Wow, these are nice. Alright, so now these are awesome with the 40mm drivers and stuff. I think that the monsters are the same. Now let's do these. The monsters. So these focus more on the bass. Well, these do actually better bass than that, but it also likes to focus on the highs a lot better, which I like. Let's pause that. Man, I am impressed. Now let's go to something with more bass. go to Artists, Hollywood Undead. Let's go Coming in Hot. If you guys know that song, it's about partying and stuff. But anyway, we will check this out with the Audio-Technicas. Just need to plug in that, otherwise it won't work very well. Let's turn the volume up. Okay, noise isolation. They do pretty good with okay. I like the durability and the flexibility on these. I love them. I love the sound quality. I mean, that's the most important thing, guys. And yeah, I to be honest with you guys, go with these. But if you want more of this kind of a feel with Monster, both these headphones are nice. Go with Audio-Technicas, and they're only retail on Amazon for $39 right now. But all the update prices will be in the link in the description below. It's link to Amazon, and you can get these for $39 right now. You can get these for $30. This case for $20 right now on Amazon. I'm doing all Amazon prices. So, anyways, guys, I think that's it for our unboxing / unwrapping and review and sound test video. All kind of I'm sorry I talked a lot, but I'm doing a lot in this video. I'm no expert on headphones. Go with these. These are nice, and they retail for like $39. So, worth it. I'm telling you. Alright, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video, and I'll see you guys later.